One part of the wing. You have, yeah, you have other parts of the wing to do. Yeah, Miss Carla, did you get yourself some water and paper towel? And are you painting on a white sheet?
No.
You told him you didn't want one. It's back there. Can you what? Sure.
It doesn't work.
It'll work. It works. I am surprised at how artistic you are. Look how artistic they are. What do we have? How many children working? David, look at your hands. How's it going? The Mexican flag?
No, I didn't.
Do you have one at your house, a Mexican flag?
Yeah.
And a United States flag?
No, I messed it up.
Why, honey?
I mixed green. Oh.
Clean your brush, get a paper towel.
I'm so artistic, ain't I?
No.
Aren't I?
Thank you. Now you can stop playing.
We're going to listen to the next one and then we'll play before you get yes, sir.
You're still doing it.
She's still working on her wheels.
I know it too. No, under here, I'm not gonna put the little. I don't like this song. You don't like it? Oh, sorry.
The wind's beneath the wing. We have what, 6 and 2? We have 8 children in here working. Is everybody here today?
Yes, I do. Be quiet.
Is anybody missing? Next week we're going to start our speeches. So we'll have some time to get some work done on your speeches. And if you want to, you can get your poster done.
Yeah, what's with my... I'm not even... I haven't even...
I think I threw it away. Do you want more glue?
Yes, you do it.
No, the glue.
She said because it's...
I still have your posters.
Galloro.
What?
I hand dropped under because it keep on moving.
Oh, keeps
Now I don't
moving.
want to hold it. That's why I'm supposed to. Yeah, like this.
There you go. You're a thinker.
No, I just let somebody else do the thinking. Ah, this looks
I'm gonna draw like...